Okay, here's a good idea for a way to use coffee creamer to make a good treat. You take French vanilla, or I have amaretto flavored. My wife likes amaretto and Coke, so I decided to mix up some amaretto and Coke and just pour in Coke into a glass. Top it off with some amaretto creamer, and you've got a amaretto Coke float, basically. Also, I happen to like root beer, so I take French vanilla creamer, mix some root beer with French vanilla, tastes like a root beer float. Yep, that's really good. So, a good idea, like I said, mix your coffee creamer with soda. My favorites are amaretto and Coke or root beer float. Give it a try.